How to go from descriptive writing to critical writing that gives you the A you desire in your coursework. Number one, look at it from these 3 points. The first point is you have to state something, and then you have to explain what you have stated, and you have to evaluate the backup evidence that explains what you have stated. This is what it means. You state something that maybe this thing happens this way, and you need to find backup evidence that explains those things that you have stated. Those evidence could be from journal papers, from textbooks, preferably from journal papers if you are doing academic writing. Then by the time you've stated those backup evidence that explains the point you are making, then you need to evaluate those people. So somebody has said that this thing is true, but you need to now dig into it to find out under what context, under what conditions, within what age group, what kind of people did this person study, what are the other possibilities that this person has not considered. That is you evaluating the conclusions that the person has reached. How valid is this conclusion? How true would this be if I changed the scope of the research or the scope of the work that the person has done? So you state, you explain, you evaluate. If you go through these 3 processes, you will see a significant improvement in the quality of your work. The number 2 step that will help you go from descriptive writing to critical writing is what I'm going to explain now. But before that, go ahead and share this video to help as many people as possible. Number 2, if you are writing a piece of work and you want it to be critical, your voice needs to come out in that writing. You are not just stopping at saying that all these people said this person found this, the other person found the other one, the other person found the other one. Your own voice needs to come out through that piece of work. And how do you do it? Think of the references and the citations as different people on a round table conversation where you are the chair of that conversation. So you are the driver, you are the one asking questions, you are the one reaching the conclusions after the people have said all the things that they have said. So this person has contributed, the other person has contributed, the other person has contributed, but you as the chair of the conversation needs to have an opinion. You're not just there as the chair to listen to the people talk, to emphasize on what the people have said. You are there to also make a contribution, and don't be afraid to question the people in that conversation. That's how you question authors. The author has said that this conclusion is real, but your own voice needs to now question the author's conclusion and to add something, highlight what the author has kind of covered up or has kind of not attended to, has ignored, has overemphasized, and all of that.